with the car alarm going off in the background. It's officially moving day. Well, we're still moving today, but we're not going to have our electricity turned on until tomorrow.
𝒐𝒊𝒍𝒎𝒅.
The vibes. So yeah, thanks for coming with me and helping me move in. And welcome to the official moving vlog. Today is Monday the 3rd, I believe the 3rd of May, and we found out on Friday, so 3 days ago, we signed the lease, got the keys, Friday like 5 p.m, so right before the office is closed for the weekend. Now we got the apartment, we're all approved, we can move in ASAP. Which is all well and good, except for the fact that Saturday was a public holiday for Labor Day, and then Sunday nothing here is open, so we couldn't organize movers until this morning. And we're trying to get out of our current apartment as soon as possible so that we can avoid paying double rent. This kind of moving series is going to be a 3-part. So the first one, of course, was our apartment hunting, which you'll definitely have seen before now. You couldn't hear the neighbors upstairs just squeaking their chairs. That is just has been our reality for the last 12 months. They are the noisiest upstairs neighbors, and the amount of times we wanted to go up there and just be like, shut the hell up. So essentially today is Monday morning and I am running on 2 hours of sleep because last night I was just feeling stressed out and could not sleep. So I will insert a little bit of footage.
2 hours of sleep. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, and Alejandro had probably about the same because you napped for about 2 hours and then woke up and realized that I was still awake and then stayed up with me the rest of the night. So we're both kind of running on and caffeine this morning.
Fumes and caffeine.
So I'll insert a little bit of footage I got last night. I did film myself just like putting some boxes together and starting the packing process. We don't have we do kind of have a truck booked now for tomorrow. Is that right? So that will be tomorrow to move our bigger things. And we have friends who own a car, and we found a company who like have moving trucks to move our our Super King mattress and our fridge and all the big things. So the rest of today I'm planning to just put all the small things I can find into boxes, into bags, start packing up the non-essential things because we're probably not going to be able to move anything into the new place until tomorrow because we don't have access to a vehicle today. But I'll take you along with the process, show you the place when we get there, how we're putting everything in. But I just want to do a quick little intro into what's going on. So yeah, time to start moving. I was gonna try to get all this stuff down myself, but I realized it would be way easier if I just got Alejandro to help me, considering how tightly he had Tetrised it and the fact that he can just reach and I need to use these little stools to be able to even like nearly get up there. The benefits of having a 2-meter tall husband. Check it here.
Kebab the cat within a second.
Stop it!
Wait, stop eating something. What is he? He's eating something.
It's the fly.
Oh, okay.
Let him get it. Oh look, there's the, is this the recycling dudes?
Yeah.
I was gonna say I can finally show you what the actual view outside of our window is because I haven't shown it before on the vlog because I don't want to like give away where we live. But we're not gonna be living here anymore by the time you're seeing this video. And this is another reason we're moving out, because every time someone comes and goes from the garage, we get to hear this lovely mechanical.
And without having like nice, because the motor's right by you.
get out of here. See, this is my morning sunlight through the kitchen. There is none. We're at the bottom floor of a 9-story building. The only weather we get is if it's raining, then you can see the rain out there. But everything else is just weird blue light even at 9 o'clock in the morning. So update, it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm waiting for my friends to come with their car or their dad's car and help us move some of the smaller stuff. But essentially we're not going to be able to, well, we're still moving today, but we're not going to have our electricity turned on until tomorrow because of how it all works here. I'll explain later, or we'll explain in the other part of this video where we kind of talk through the process. But essentially they just won't come today, they can't come today, so we're moving anyway. The truck is booked. We've put up the bed. We have these two like bed base blocks and the mattress is over here. And then this is the rest of the room currently. And I'm very excited to get out of here. Again, the lighting situation in this apartment is not ideal. Kitchen looks pretty much the same, but I've done a lot of like, we had to do the dishes because I didn't get done last night. Dry them all, so now they're ready to be like wrapped up in newspaper and put into, we're out of boxes. So we're gonna have to put them in a bag. I've just been like putting everything in these reusable shopping bags, and that's just gonna have to do for now.
Recorded the videos to show people. It's very interesting.
Unless someone wanted to get in from the bottom and they're gonna be. So this is the vibes. So yeah, thanks for coming with me and helping me move in. So yeah, I guess the sun will rise like over there. So we're a little bit further than the beach than we were before, but worth it. Yeah. Little like barbecue area.
This is free wood.
Yeah. So like this definitely like sold us, and I was like, even like a little like wash up area, it's just like does not need to be this huge. Like,
no, it's perfect. They really tried.
They went all out.
Did family ever visits one day? Maybe like they stuck it there or something?
No, I think that's definitely taped onto the wall.
It's for sure. I don't know what okay, maybe they didn't care that much.
Points for decoration, 0 points for like safety.
Yeah.
Okay, so we ran out to get coffee, and then I didn't realize that Alan would like went like order coffee back to the apartment. So they arrived with the moving truck, and this is our second trip of stuff, and then we went to get coffee. And so they must think I'm such a white girl because I was late because I was at Starbucks, and I feel so pathetic, but also we need snacks and caffeine. So it is what it is. Okay, so that was Tristan and Thomas. They're my new friends here, but they're actually from the States, from Oregon, or Tristan is. Anyway, so they're moving back in like a few days. But so grateful that they could come and help us move. It's just a real shame that like the one time I make friends here, they're leaving. Oh, people. Not joke. What I was trying to say is that it's a shame that the first like real friends I've made here that I've seen quite a few times are leaving in like a week's time. But I'm so grateful that they could come and help me move in. So if you're watching this, hello. By the time you're seeing this, you're probably already back in the States, and I miss you guys. But yeah, and then as I was saying that, some of our stuff came upstairs. We've got two people from the delivery, like a moving company, helping us move all the stuff. So while I was with Tristan and Thomas moving some of the small things here, and we went to get coffee because we all needed just some caffeine and a snack, then Alejandro stayed back at the apartment at our old place and helped the movers get like the big things into the truck. So now they're just trying to work out how they can get it all up to our apartment. I don't think there's a service elevator or anything, so I'm not sure how we're gonna get the mattress up, just because it's like a super king, and I don't think it's gonna fit in the elevator. So hopefully we don't have to take it up the stairs, but because we're on the 8th floor and that's just gonna be a nightmare. But also the dog and the cat, we left them in the bedroom while we went to get the coffee, but now I have to move them into the bathroom where there's no lighting because they'll just be out of the way in there and they won't get squished. So brief little update, but I'm not going to talk to the phone again until everything is moved in because it's just too hectic, too much going on. I'll update you in probably about an hour or two. Okay, Nacho. Okay. Okay, prepare 1 hour. Listo. Nacho, you like your new house? The lighting in this place is so much better.
Yeah, we deserve it. We deserve it. Putting my foot down. That's your head. That's my feet, motherfucker.
You didn't say foot. Nano was hand. What's foot?
Yeah.
Yeah. I literally pulled out and I was like, no, that sounds stupid. That's not it. Okay, so first night in the new place. Okay, workout done, taking in the view. And hopefully the electricity guy will be here any minute now, so yeah.
And she came in and she was like, I am trying to knit. Turn it off.